In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cell styles in Excel. Cell styles are ready-made formatting presets that instantly give your worksheet a clean, consistent look. They bundle things like font size, color, fill, borders, and sometimes number formats, so you don't have to tweak each setting by hand. They're perfect for highlighting headers, labeling inputs, or calling attention to key results. Start by selecting where you want the style to appear. Click the cell you want to format. If you need the same look across multiple cells, click and drag to select a range, or hold Shift or Control or Command on a Mac to add to your selection. You can also select entire rows or columns if that fits your layout, but be mindful that styles apply to every selected cell, so include only what you intend to format. Next, go to the Home tab. Look for the Styles group and open the Cell Styles gallery. Depending on your window size, you may see a small gallery or a button that expands the full list. This gallery organizes styles into helpful categories such as title and headings, good, bad, neutral for quick visual feedback, and data-oriented options like input or calculation that make your sheets easier to read and maintain. These styles are designed to align with your workbook's theme, so they'll automatically use coordinated colors and fonts for a professional finish. Now choose the look you want and click it to apply. If you hover over a style before clicking, Excel often shows a live preview so you can see the effect without committing. Pick a title style for a main heading, a heading style for section labels, or an accent style to emphasize important figures. Input is useful for cells where people will type values, while calculation or output can distinguish formulas or results. Some styles may also include number formatting or special alignment, which helps keep data consistent. If the result isn't what you expected, press Undo to revert, or apply the normal style to clear custom styling and return to the default look. Remember that a style can override existing formatting, so it's best to apply styles before doing manual tweaks. If you're layering formatting, apply the style first, then make any fine adjustments like bold text or a specific border. That's all it takes. Select your cells, open the Cell Styles gallery on the Home tab, and click the style that fits your purpose. With just a couple of clicks, you'll have a clear, consistent, and polished worksheet that's easier for everyone to read and use.